This power supply is providing 2.7 volt instead of 12 volt. 12 volt 25 ampere rated output, but it is giving just only 2.7 volt. Let's see what's wrong here and how to fix it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we will deal with live voltage. Take care for the safety. If you are visiting my channel first time, I will invite you to subscribe it. Input 231 volts. I applied power using series lamp. Lamp is in normal condition, but DC output just only 2.7 volts. And if I want to adjust it, it is not controlling the voltage, just only 0.01 volt. If I want to control it, it is not controlling the voltage. Let's open it. When we will remove its top cover, we will not touch any component until we verify the voltage on its smoothing capacitor. If there will voltage, we will discharge it. That are these capacitors. DC voltage, it is safe. It is using TL494 IC here. Yes, this resistor damaged. High power PNP resistor 13009. NPN transistor, as we know, TL494 is secondary side regulator, so its power stage and its resonant power supply will start switching and it will provide voltage to this IC. This IC will receive Vcc voltage and it will generate reference voltage. Then it will control the regulation process. In this situation, when we have 2.9 volt, 2.7 volt, that means its resonant circuit is working good. Its IC is not taking control. Damaged component here. That means something wrong in this portion. Pin number 7 ground. Pin 12 VCC. 9, 10, 11, 12. VCC voltage 5.9 volts. That means resonant circuit is working good. Pin number 14 reference voltage. 5.7 volts. These are high voltage. It must be 5 volts. That means the IC is damaged. In any case, if pin number 14 is below or above 5 volt, that time the IC is damaged. So in our case, the IC must be replaced. Yes, the IC is damaged. So this resistor is connected at VCC pin. It is low value resistor. That is reason it is damaged. It is burned out. I don't have TL494 right now. I have 7500. So I will use this IC. I have this 15 ohm resistor. I will use it. We have 11 volts, output LED on. Yes, it is controlling the voltage. Perfect. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.